Handbag Angels YouTube channel. We've got another video for you today and it's a very exciting one. It's an unboxing video. As you can tell, it's a Dior bag. I'm really excited to unbox this because I haven't actually seen the bag yet. Leslie, who owns Handbag Angels, she does all the handbag shopping, and today's the first time we've actually had an opportunity for her to bring the bag in and get the liner made for it. But I thought, because it is in such lovely packaging, she's literally not even opened it since she bought it, why not do a little unboxing video for YouTube, and then I will stop the video and then Daniela, our seamstress, she'll get the liner made, and then I'll jump back on the video and show you the liner as well. But I thought I literally cannot waste this lovely gift wrapping because it's honestly so nice. I can't let it go to waste, so I thought I'm gonna have to do an unboxing video. So I'll get started. So on top, in fact, I'm probably best not doing that. On top, they've just got some white tissue paper, and Leslie, who went to buy the bag in the Dior shop in Manchester, she told me that when they put this tissue paper in, they literally, if you can see, it's like crinkled. They literally sit there and fold it, like so it's in that kind of shape. They don't just plonk it in, they fold it like that. Looks really neat and tidy when it's on top of the bag. Put those out of it actually. And then, oh my gosh, this box is literally huge. You have to stand up to look in it. And then it's literally, oh my gosh, it's massive. I can't even get it out of the bag. I'm going to have to tilt it down like this and slide it out. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Looks so nice. I don't even want to take it out of the box. I don't want to ruin the wrapping. Okay, that's out, finally. And then yeah, that's just the bag it came in. Oops. It's always nice when it comes in like a nice bag as well, because you can keep the bag like and have them on display. I know like a lot of people, I always see that they have like shelves in the bedrooms, and they have like loads of luxury like gift bags. It always looks really nice. So yeah, that's always a good thing. So the box is like this. Look how nicely that is wrapped. I really don't even want to take it off because it just looks so nice, but I'm gonna have to. So I'll undo the bow. You can just tell it's taken them so long to wrap it as well. Like they've not just shoved it in a bag. Well, obviously they won't do. It's Dior, so they are obviously going to take very much time and care in wrapping the products. And then yeah, the box just like that. Looks like a shoe box. It's that big. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. Lift the lid off. I don't want to get the box dirty. And then it's got the tissue paper on it with the little Dior sticker. You will already know what bag it is from the title of the video, but oh well, I just wanted to keep it a bit more of a surprise. So I've opened up the tissue and it is in a really nice Dior dust bag. They're always handy, especially when you're storing your bags so they don't get dusty. And then at the bottom of the box again is that crinkled tissue paper. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You can see the colour of the handles, it looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love the colour. How nice is that? So it's the Medium Lady Dior, and ours is in the colour Cherry Red, I'm pretty sure it's called. How nice is that? That is so pretty. And then it's got the charm that all the Lady Dior bags have. The does it spell Dior? Yeah, it spells Dior, and that's all nicely wrapped, obviously to prevent scratches. I'm going to put it on top of here because I don't want to scratch the bottom on the table. So I'll show you what it looks like inside before I put the handbag liner in later on. So it's got like the flap opening that all the Lady Dior bags have. And then inside it's got the crossbody strap that they all come with. What's this? Oh, that's just like a little, might be the receipt, I'm not sure. More tissue paper in the bottom. And the box. It's so nice on the inside as well. The colour is, I've not actually seen this bag in this colour before, I don't think. Like, I don't think many people have it, but I've not seen many people have it anyway. They might, a lot of people might have it, I really don't know. But on the inside, let's try and show you this as best I can. Oh, it looks really dark on the camera, but on the inside it's a red suede interior. It's got one zip pocket and it has one just let open regular pocket. Because of the suede, you are going to want to protect the inside, especially because of the value of the bag. So literally the perfect way to protect it is by using a handbag liner. We won't be using ours until we've got ours inside. I don't want to put anything in it either until Danielle has made the liner. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll do a close-up of what it looks like inside, because it is going to be easier that way to show you. Yeah, it's got the little Christian Dior badge on the inside, made in Italy. I just love it so much. It's a really good size as well. I like the size of it. I think it's good for every day and at night as well. Usually I would go for a bit smaller at night, but I just think it is a good size. You can definitely fit a lot in as well, which I'll show you once we've got the handbag liner in. I'll also show you what it looks like on crossbody. And yeah, right, I'll do a close-up now of what the bag looks like inside. So this is the flap opening I was talking about. It literally, try and do this with one hand, it literally lifts up and protects the inside so it's not as exposed. And then this is the suede interior I was talking about. It's really nice how it's not the same red as the outside of the bag. It looks really nice. You've got the zip pocket there, and then you also have the just regular pocket. There's no zip on that one, it's just literally a pocket. So what I'm going to do now is pass the bag on to Danielle, our seamstress, and she will produce a liner for it, and I'll be back to show you what that looks like. Okay, so I'm back. I've got the handbag liner to fit inside the bag. I've got all the stuff that we think we would carry on inside this bag on a day-to-day basis, and I've also got the crossbody strap to show you what that looks like as well. So I'll start with the handbag liner. So here it is. We've had ours made in the classic Oxford colour. It looks really nice against the interior, which I'll show you when I put it in. It's got two pockets as standard. There's one at the front that goes all the way along more or less, and one at the back that does the same. We probably will put the option to add a key strap on once we get this up on the website, which are really handy for when you've got your car keys in. You're not rummaging around, you've literally got them on the key strap, grab them, and that's done. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like inside. Such a perfect fit, like as always with our liners. We make them well specifically for bags. Like Danielle, the seamstress, has done all the measuring up on the inside to make sure it's like a snug fit. You have sometimes got to properly shove them into the corners, like I've said before, because that is how we make them to fit. We don't want them to leave any room so they can move around in your bag. We don't want any gaps at the side of them. We want them to literally be perfect. So yeah, that's in. And I'm going to try and show this, but you probably won't be able to see it because the lighting here is really not great. And I'm only using my phone to film this, so it's really not great at all. Yeah, you can't see it. So like before, I will do a close-up of the handbag liner inside and what it looks like. But what I'll do now, oh, and by the way, the liner, it doesn't cover the zip pocket, so you still got access to that, and the regular pocket inside the Dior, you still got access to that as well, which is really handy. But it comes, it's still a good height to protect the interior of the bag and to support it as well. I mean, it's quite a sturdy bag, so it doesn't really need as much support as say like the Chanel de Ville that I did our last video on it. That really needed the liner to provide support, but bags like this, they don't necessarily need it. You are really getting the liner just to protect it more than anything. So I'll show you what fits inside. So we would use our pochette accessories, we would have our pochette accessories inside the mini one. We take this like everywhere with us. It's really handy just to keep bits and bobs in it. So that sits in there nicely. We've also got a phone, obviously, because everybody's always got a phone, haven't they? A coin purse or any kind of little purse that you might want to carry with you. That slides nicely into the pocket of of the liner. We have actually also got, I won't open it because I don't want all the coins to fall out. We have got our conversion kit in the coin purse at the minute. So because there is a gap when the zip closes, it has allowed us to be able to put a liner inside with a rivet on, that then allows a chain to pass through like that. So you can attach it to your keys, you could attach it to, I don't know, anything really, your key strap that you might get in your liner. I've seen some people, like if they wear like, maybe not like this, but like a denim jacket with like pockets on here, I've seen people clip the Louis Vuitton like little purses, so then you could use that. But yeah, these are available on our website. I've just checked, there's quite a few coins inside, so I can't show you very well. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, they nearly fell then, that would have been a disaster. But yeah, they're available on our website, just thought I'd show you whilst it's here. So yeah, that's like I was saying, that slots nicely into the pocket. I'm going to have to show you a close-up of all this inside as well, because if I try and show you from side here, it just won't work. Hand sanitizer, need that definitely at the minute. We've got a little perfume, it's just a Chanel No. 5 refillable little perfume, so that fits in there as well. Lipsticks or lip glosses, whichever you prefer to carry. Slide those in the pocket as well. And keys. This set of keys is actually quite bulky. Oops. But I think it will still slide in. Oops, let's try that again. I just completely missed the liner. There. And we've also got Handbag Angels Hangar. So if you've not already seen these, what these do, you get them like this, just in a circular shape. They unfold like that, and I'll show you the example on the shelf because you can't really see the bottom of my table. But when you're like out for a meal, a restaurant, if you're out in a bar, all they do, they clip onto, you can't really see that very well, sorry, but they clip onto the top of the bar or table, and then this bit hangs down and holds the weight of your handbag. That fits into the pocket as well. And yeah, right, so that's all fit in there. I'm going to try and show you it. It probably won't work because when does it ever? So it's too dark. But yeah, it's way too dark, you can't see it, but I'll do a close-up of it for you, don't worry. And yeah. Doesn't bulge or anything, the bag's still in the exact same shape even though it's literally full to the brim, more or less, with your belongings. But I'll show you what the crossbody strap looks like. Ooh, looks like now. Is it adjustable? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's adjustable, which is always a good thing. And I'm guessing you clip these on whichever end you want really, because there's 4 different handles. Not quite sure what they show it as like on the website, but maybe to balance the weight evenly, put one on the front and one at the back rather than putting both at the front and both at the back. So yeah, and then that's not going to tip forward, it's not going to lean backwards. So I'll try and show you what it looks like, even though I've not got much room here. Let's try and just stand up. Oh, and yeah, you can't even see my head, but right, I'm going to move the table and then I'm going to show you on, I'm going to do a different shot of it because that was terrible, you couldn't see anything at all. So I won't be a minute, I'm just going to move the table around. Okay, you still can't see me very well. I've got to have my phone that way, otherwise it cuts half of the video out, so I'm sorry about that. I know you can't really see my head, but this is what the bag looks like on the shoulder with the shoulder strap. Oh my god, I actually love it even more when it's like that. See what it looks like crossbody. I actually love it, I think this is like one of my dream bags. I'm not even joking. But yeah, this is what it looks like. For me this is a really good length, but like I say, it is adjustable. Where's the thing gone? It's behind me, it's there. So you can adjust it, make it longer, shorter, to suit you. I think I usually, when I wear a bag with a long strap, I usually wear it on my shoulder rather than crossbody. But maybe if I was in like a city or something where I did want that bit of extra security, then I would have it across my body. But yeah, oh, it looks so nice. I really love this size as well. Even on with the crossbody strap, it still looks really nice. Like some bags, if you put a strap on them, if they're too big, it just looks a bit weird. But this one, it looks really nice, perfect size. Yeah, I like it with my outfit as well. I like a pop of red. I've got some red on my trainers as well. Well, reddy brown. So I wish this was mine because I would wear this outfit if it was, but it's not, unfortunately. Unfortunately, it's Leslie's. But yeah, looks really nice. What I'll do now is I'll show you an up close of the liner inside with all our belongings, so you can see how much you can get in it, and it still looks really organised with our liner. And yeah, I'll show you that now. Okay, so here it is up close. As you can see, the liner's a really good fit. What I will do is I'll take all the purse and stuff out just so you can see the liner by itself inside the bag. But yeah, all really organised. Like I said, the interior looks really nice against the classic oxblood. You're not going to damage the interior with any, like your hand sanitizer might spill, but it doesn't matter because it'll go on the liner, not the bag. Still got access to the zip pocket and the regular pocket, which is there. But yeah, overall, you can fit quite a lot in. I personally wouldn't probably carry this much. Usually I only have one lipstick, usually just one purse, and I've got the pochette, mini pochette and the coin purse in there, but it's just to show you that you can get quite a lot in this bag, even though from the front, like from the outside, it probably does look quite small. But yeah, got my keys in there as well, hand sanitizer, perfume, the hangers in that pocket. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like now without all the belongings inside. So now it's empty, and as you can see, it's literally the perfect fit. There's no buckles in the liner or anything, like it's not too long. It's literally perfect. They're really good height as well, and like I say again, a really good colour match to the bag. Rioja red would also look quite nice, but we just wanted classic oxblood because we thought it was the closest match. But you might want to go for something brighter like scarlet red, just to give you that pop of colour inside your bag. But I would definitely recommend getting a handbag liner if you have a Lady Dior, because obviously they are expensive, and I think anybody would hate to damage this lovely suede with makeup stains, hand sanitizer stains, literally anything. The liner literally is just there for protection. That is its primary function. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. But yeah, like if you've got a bigger bag, then yeah, we do recommend getting them to organise. But with this one, because it's not the biggest of bags anyway inside, we would definitely recommend getting one just purely to protect this really nice suede, and to organise as well, because it does give you 2 extra pockets. But yeah, I'll leave the link for the liners below. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next Handbag Angels YouTube video.